Hey guys, Cody here, Off Leash Canine Gulf Coast. Today we've got Ruby. She's a 4.5-year-old mixed breed, a rescue. She's here for our 1-week board and train program. Owner's biggest complaints, they need a recall. They need her to listen in general. Door manners, she kind of goes crazy. When guests come over, jumps up on everybody. And she has a problem of chasing golf carts around the neighborhood. Those are some things we're going to focus on. We're going to run through her commands real quick and see where she's at. Ruby, come. Ruby, come. Good girl, sit. Ruby, come. Come. Ruby, sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Wait. Good girl, Ruby. Good job. Good job. So she knows sit. One thing her owner said, she knows sit, but she'll only do it kind of on her terms when she wants to. Ruby, come. Ruby, come. Let's try place. Ruby, place. Ruby, place. Place. All right, guys. So this is Ruby, day 1. Stick with us and watch her progress.